everyone! Welcome to our
channel.
Today, pag-uusapan natin ang importanteng issue sa online world about cyberbullying.
Alam mo ba na isang comment o post mo lang ay pwede ka nang makasakit ng feelings ng iba?
Today, let's learn what cyberbullying is, its effect, and how we can stop it.
Cyberbullying happens when someone uses technology, social media, chat, or text to hurt or embarrass another person. Kasama dito ang mga mean comments, rude messages, pag-post ng pictures without permission, or spreading rumors sa group chat. Effects of cyberbullying. Cyberbullying can cause stress, anxiety, and even depression. Akala ng iba, biro lang. Pero para sa mga binibiktima, it can cause stress, anxiety, loss of confidence, at minsan gusto na lang nilang umiwas sa social media. Here are the 5 tips and ways to prevent bullying. Number 1. Promote kindness. Promote kindness, create a positive atmosphere that discourages bullying. Number 2. Defend others. If safe to do so, intervene when you witness bullying. Number 3. Build confidence. Pursue activities that boost your self-esteem. Number 4. Be a positive role model. Treat everyone with dignity and respect, even online. When you see others acting unkindly, challenge them in a positive way. Number 5. Report bullying. Utilize established reporting channels to address bullying.
Thank you for watching.